Anna, why are you so sad? I have a quarrel with my friend. Why? What happened? Well, we were supposed to go to the concert, and my friend Sandra had suddenly changed her plans. I couldn't go to the concert without her. I feel really disappointed. Oh, I see. Such things are very frustrating. Life is not always a piece of cake. Sometimes you have to deal with difficulties. One of these difficulties you must overcome in your life is dealing with conflict. So what is a conflict? It is a very unpleasant situation that can happen literally everywhere. This can happen at school or among the members of your own family. You can even have a quarrel with your best friend. There is almost no doubt that you will find the way to resolve this situation. But what step should be the first? All people are different and each person reacts to conflicts in a different way. Some even can scream and cry. But most people feel really annoyed and frustrated. So what can we do to overcome such obstacles to a happy life? First of all, we should calm down. There is no point in shouting and blaming other people. Think what you should do instead of accusing everybody else. The next thing that can help is to be flexible. You can try to get used to a new situation and to react appropriately. Are there any other ways of resolving conflicts? Sure, there are. You just need to figure out your own. So when another conflict shows up, you'll be prepared. Now let's try to guess the meaning of the words from the contest. Resolve. To make something clear. Flexible. Get used to different situations easily. Show up. Appear.